You dirty little monster. Do you wanna sound like this?
Broken current several times. Can't go down in yellow lines. Rushing through the grave of shame. Breathing vengeance, set you free.
So let's go right to it with some crazy triggers. So to grow, it is basically finding a resonance that it's very lower. What I mean with that, we use a lot of resonance here in the chest because we use a lot of low notes. Take your lower note that you can do and use a little bit the idea that you are underwater, and then play a little bit with some staccatos. In other words, it is kind of you are pushing your breath system, your stomach here. That's the idea, but in this very relaxed position.
You see,
the distortion comes now. Now use the eval. It's like a gorilla. Do this. Prolong a little bit. Let your chin in the front. Play a little bit with this. Now with open vowels. You see that my is not it is with my soft palato. Always think about the soft palato. Soft palato is the key of almost every distortion that exists. And then you find this placement. There's a lot of tempers that we can build because of the shape of the mouth. If we open space in our mouth, will be more like black metal thing. If we let more close or kind of the shape of the mouth that when we are eating some cookies. I'm eating some cookies right now. There's another temper. So the key is be careful if you let the resonance in the front, because you can hurt your throat. Always think about this airflow that comes from behind, from your soft palato. Neither when you are opening space like a black metal style. You see that I'm doing this thing. It's not thing. Be careful with I'm closing space in my throat, and this is very fucking wrong. You need to be very relaxed and do this kind of cartoon voice. Yeah, look at me. am dumb. It's kind of like that. The voice behind this yo, it is yo, 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 yo. But I'm pushing it from my stomach. Try to push your stomach in steps. Think that you are a little dog first. And then start to pushing it, and always balance and be careful with the pain. If you felt some pain in these steps, man, fucking be careful. And to train this is just holding the note with and always find the place that you felt a lot of distortion and don't need to push too much. That's the perfect balance, because some styles like deathcore uses a lot of metrics and a lot of words, and you need to save energy. Always vocal techniques is for saving energy, not to getting crazy and another famous guys that fucked up his voice, and because they are thinking about strength and letting all the air out, and I am the crazy motherfucker that I do loud volume of the shit. I always think about the good temper. This kind of when we are playing guitar and we are choosing the better sound, it's not the loudest sound that is the better sound, and don't need to be loud to be better. So that's the fucking idea. Do you understand more about vocals? Get a free try of my course. Hell yeah, it's my gift for you, little monster. And it's made by a crazy guy that sucks in school, and I prefer to understand more about things in a practice way, not with a lot of mumbo jumbo thing. So that's it. Try it. See you soon. Yeah.